cut off beautifully, took all the heat out of that. Oh, it's beautifully directed by Goffin. It's just far too good. Inside in forehand. There it is. Only one of them required. And that is quite a comeback by the little Belgian.
Straightforward forehand finish down the line. That was tight. He's got it. An error from Lajovic hands Lopez the victory.
That's wonderful defence. That's extraordinary from Karlovic.
Could the first set have been different if he'd gone for that shot down the line instead of going cross-court in the tie-break?
There it is, the first of them taken by Roberto Bautista Agut, who's come from behind here.
First time Simons ever played in Barcelona. And he's through to the second round to face the #2 seed, Grigor Dimitrov, following a comprehensive straight sets victory over Ilya Ivashka.